Linear functions, what are they? When did they arise? Well, around 200 BC, the Chinese were the first to really solve problems with linear equations. Let's talk about the evolution of it first. And then Rene Descartes in 1637 invents this new form of geometry called what? Called linear equations. And he went ahead and talked about a Cartesian coordinate system. He named it after himself. But it wasn't until 1843 that Sir William Rowan Hamilton invented the linear equation. You say, that's wonderful, Jay. We're talking about linear functions. Was that the next evolution? And what is a linear function? A linear function is a function with a constant rate of change. Did you know there is one species of bamboo that can grow 1.5 inches every hour? Well, this comes to about 3 feet in a 24-hour period. This type of growth is modeling a linear function. Why? Because you have a constant rate of change, 1.5 inches for every hour of growth. So the input would be what? The input would be hours, and the output would be the number of inches of growth. And that linear function has a constant rate of change, but it also has a starting point. A starting point, you say, what does that mean? Imagine you want to go to Seattle. You've saved $4,500. That's fantastic. And then you plan to spend about $400 a week on rent and food. This model of your budget is a linear function because it has a starting point, the $4,500 that you're going to bring to Seattle. And then the constant rate of change is what you're going to be spending each week. That's negative 400, isn't it? Ask yourself, what would the x-intercept represent in this situation? It would represent when you would run out of money. Welcome to the world of linear functions.